Unboxing video. Main unit. Water tank. Powder jar. Wireless foot pedal. Wired foot pedal. PH2 LED detachable periodontal handpiece. AH2 sandblasting handpiece. AH1 sandblasting handpiece. Toke wrench. O-rings. T-type connector. Syringes. Endo wrench and O-rings. Root canal file and fuse. Braided hose of air path. Self-locking quick mail joint. Self-locking quick connector. Packing list. Tips. Subgingival sandblasting nozzle. Sterilization box. Installation guide. Align the hole and press to install the water bottle. Align the powder jar with the groove and install it. Connect the air polishing handpiece. Align the mark and connect the scaling. Handpiece with the cable. Use a torque wrench to tighten the scaler tip. Connect the wired foot pedal. Connect the power supply. Press and hold the braided hose. Connect it to the intake port. Turn it on. Operation instructions. Users can choose from G mode, scaling treatment. P mode, periodontal treatment. E mode, endo treatment. A mode, air polishing treatment. Pick up the scaling handpiece, and we will automatically enter the scaling function. With air polishing handpiece, we will automatically enter the air polishing function. Users can also adjust the power. And the water output. Click Settings. Turn on heat. Select the language. Turn on wireless foot switch. Connection guide of wireless foot pedal. Click Settings. Turn on wireless foot switch. Open the battery cover. Put in a battery and keep your foot pressed. Put in the second battery. Hold your foot down for 5 seconds. Restart the main unit. When the wireless pedal is connected successfully, install the battery cover. DQ-80 Introduction to Wireless Foot Pedal Function. The functions of the wireless foot pedal. The lower part is the start-stop control. Vibration without water. Power enhancement. Increase 3 levels at a time. Water without vibration. DQ-80 maintenance. After air polishing, please use the clean function to clean the handpiece. Pick up air polishing handpiece. Click Clean. Wait 15 seconds. Cleaning finished. Clean air polishing handpiece. Get the self-locking quick connector ready. Connect the quick connector of the air source to the inlet of the reverse blower. Anti-exhaust head connected to air polishing handpiece.